How to pin and unpin messages on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to highlight important messages in a channel in just a few steps. First, open the Slack app on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the channel or direct message containing the message you want to pin. Let me show you. From there, hover your mouse over the message you want to pin. At this point, click on the three dots that appear on the right side of the message. In the next step, click on Organize from the options that appear. From there, select Pin the message, and it will now be pinned, and a small pin icon will appear next to it. From there, to unpin a message, hover over it and click on the three dots again, and follow the same process. At this stage, click on Unpin from Channel to remove it from the pinned items list. Finally, keep in mind that pinned messages remain visible to everyone in the channel, so only pin messages that are genuinely useful or important for the whole team to see. And that's it. Give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.